Hi, my name is Sarah Nance, and this is my Module 1 introduction video. I live in Centennial, Colorado, which is a south suburb of Denver, Colorado, about 10 miles south. I currently teach at Eagle Crest High School, which is the third largest school in the state of Colorado, and it's part of the Cherry Creek School District, which is the largest school district in Colorado. This is my 8th year teaching, and I've only ever been at Eagle Crest. It's been a very positive experience for me. I teach English and I coach JV volleyball. I also am the leader for the 9th grade PLT, and I also co-sponsor the National English Honor Society. I would like to become a building principal because I'm ready, I think, to make the next step in my career, and logically to me that means to become a building leader. I've always been a leader in my life, and I seek opportunities in which to lead, and so that's why I'm really excited that I'm the 9th grade leader for our PLT. I've served on hiring committees, I've been on district committees for priority standards, and I really have benefited from being on a variety of different committees. I also think that because I was born and raised in Centennial, that I have the opportunity to serve a diverse group that Eagle Crest serves. I also think that there needs to be some change within our school, within our district, and within our state, and I'd like to be a voice for that change and encourage that change, and at least help guide some of the choices that our bigger leaders, our state leaders, make if possible. I don't have much experience with supervisory responsibilities. From a student's standpoint, sure, I've been assigned to monitoring certain groups of students at football games or basketball games, or where National English Honor Society is deemed responsible to meet for certain things, or cleaning up around our school, and also through volleyball as a coach. There's 4 coaches and 50 girls, so of course that's always a priority for us coaches, is to monitor the student athletes when we're at competitions. But from an adult standpoint, I really have not had the opportunity, besides just classroom observation opportunities, but not supervising and not evaluating teachers at all. Evaluations that have been conducted on me have been really positive. However, I definitely see some issues with the process right now. I don't know if this is how it is in Kansas, but in Colorado, Senate Bill 191 was passed a couple years ago, that basically says that all teachers are up for evaluation on a 3-year cycle, in that every year we're evaluated 4 times, and a teacher can be terminated if they're not showing growth in those 3 years, through test scores and also through kind of holistic feedback from observations. I think it's great. I think everybody should be accountable and should encourage being evaluated. I certainly do, and my remarks have always been pretty high. However, the problem I find with it is the lack of consistency. There's over 100 teachers at our school, and only 10 people able to evaluate them, and it rotates by year. So I might have one evaluator one year and another evaluator the following year, and I know why they do it, so that different leaders can see different teachers, but it kind of makes the evaluation process a little bit muddied, and that's just based on values. One evaluator might think I do really well with classroom management and give me the highest remarks, and then the following year, using the same techniques, another evaluator might give me partially proficient on one of the subcategories. And I just think it's a little bit too subjective to be a perfect system right now, and that's also something that I think that I would like to think about as far as a building leader, how I would change that. At least a couple years of consistency between evaluators and teachers, so that they establish a relationship, that they develop a working relationship that can actually be used to influence the teacher in a good way. So hopefully that was informative, and I can't wait to watch some other videos from other teachers from our course. Thanks so much.